Yes. Is this a recording?
Hello guys, Bayani here. Today I just been called that the water doesn't have enough pressure. So first thing I'm gonna check would be the water shut off. What happened here I can show you guys. It's just like see how much water is there. They complain that there's not enough water coming out. So what I'm gonna do here just to show you guys. Have the water shut off in there. So sometimes it's just simple thing. Before you call the plumber, just let's check it out. Very much what I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna, you guys can see, I'm just gonna open this guy a little bit more. Let's see. You guys can see the difference. But tell I don't want to put the full pressure. Because sometimes what happens when you pull the full pressure, it just go crazy, right? It's too much water and then the water splash all over the place. That's what I'm gonna do. So, just gonna open a little bit more the water shut off. And we are on the way. Like you guys can see, all working good guys. Very simple detail. When we don't know about something become hard and sometimes we're just afraid to check it. So what I done, I just open the water a little bit more and take it from there. Like just a simple step, little thing just is good to know. Here just I've been called just because the water was not enough water and I just check and it's just a question of open the water shut off a little bit more. And please leave your comment, leave your suggestion. And don't be shy, just let me know what you think and we take from here. Thank you very much for watching this video guys. I love you guys and see you in the next one.